Create your very own Forex trading robot from the comfort of your own home. Let me show you how. Look here. Simply go to peterfx.co.za, where you can create your own trading robot based on your own fundamentals, whether you have experience in Forex or the keywords or not. You just type what you want the robot to do. Buy low, sell high, look for turning points, use RSI, use moving average and trend detection. Must work out a stop loss based on the levels in the market. Must have a trailing stop. As simple as that. And all you do is you say, generate a robot. And you're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to show you over here. AI is generating your robot. There we go. And let's kick out a robot file for you. Before you put the strategy that you want the robot to use, I'll just use as layman's terms as possible. You can choose, do you want a MQL4, meaning MetaTrader 4, or MQL5 trading robot, meaning MetaTrader 5. Now let me show you how to apply the robot to your charts. You click the download button and automatically it's going to download over there, My Trading Robot. Double click on it. It will automatically open up in MetaEditor. Hit the compile button over there. Make sure there's no errors. If MetaTrader is open on your PC, then you just click on the view button and you say navigator, where this little side window will open. You then click on expert advisors and your robot should be there. There we go. My Trading Robot. And there you can have the settings. All the different settings you can do to it, and you can apply it to your chart. Now I do recommend back testing any trading robot before you're running it on your computer or live trading account. You need to see how the results compare and how it would have run over the past few months, so that you can go into the inputs and the settings and you can make some adjustments according to how you feel the robot should change. Remember, no robot is guaranteed that it will work 100%. But I have made this tool available for everybody out there, so you can play around, create your own trading robots. Please note, these trading robots are completely for free to be created by you. We'll only trade on the Trace trading account. So if you get stuck and your robot doesn't want to load on your PC, give us a shot and we can get you linked up.